what is the velocity of this body at 1 second? So what I'm looking for is called the instantaneous velocity on this graph. On a position versus time graph, the velocity is the slope. So my strategy is I'm going to find the point on the graph at 1 second and find the slope of the line that contains it, and that will be equal to the velocity at 1 second. Alright, so 1 second is located right here. I'm going to go up until I get to the curve. So that's going to be the point on the line. So now I need to find the slope of the line that contains that point. That's that long line from, in this case, 0 to 2. So I can what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a point where the line goes through corners of the square. That's a possibility. Maybe that's a little off. That looks pretty exact right here at 2 seconds. So I'm going to draw a little triangle for rise over run, and I want to find the slope. Now I need to know how much each square is for the rise. So if I look at this, I can see that I have 20 meters, and 20 meters is going to take up 5 blocks. So that means that each block is going to be 4 meters. So this is going to be 4, 8, 12 meters right there. Now the run's going to be a little bit easier because it ends right there. It starts at 0 and runs to 2, so that's easier to figure out. So I know that the rise here is 12 meters, and the run here is going to be 2 seconds. So the velocity is equal to rise over run. That's going to be 12 meters in this case, divided by 2 seconds. It's supposed to be a 2. And that equals 6 meters per second. So velocity at 1 second is 6 meters per second.